Hi guys, this is William Myers from Manus Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you something a little bit different. Don't go away. Alright, so some of the tasks that I do when I'm in camp is, making spoons, making bowls, and things like that. So a lot of times I just use my neck knife, my Frontier Valley. And it's a little tedious to get where I need to get, especially when making spoons and things like that. Making a bowl, really hard, because you've really got to get in there and dig out material, and you got to flip-flop with a straight edge, a fixed blade. You really got to flip-flop your material around and get in there and make a concave surface. So one of the things that I picked up lately was a crook knife, and this makes making conical shapes, spoons, bowls, anything that you need a hell of a lot easier. And I really never used one before. I mean, I've used them before, but I never really bought into them. I said, well, I could just use my, I can use a knife to do that same job. A very small pocket knife, a jackknife, what have you, will do the same job. And yes, they will, but I found over the years that a crook knife will do it that much faster. I mean, and literally probably half the time. So I went ahead and picked one up, and I've been using it for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I couldn't be happier. They cut the time that it needs to make spoons and knives and things like that down. They even make birch bark canoes out of these things, the final carvings and things like that for the runners and things like that. They use crook knives for it. Probably not exactly that way. There's different styles and dimensions of the crook knife. But we're going to get into actually making a small spoon. We might not complete it because my battery on my camera is dying very fast, but we're going to go ahead and make the bowl for the spoon right on camera and show you how easy it is, so don't go away. Alright, when you're working with a crook knife, one of the things you want to remember is that you want to leave yourself ample space out here to be able to flip the material around back and forth and have something to hold on to. One of the things I see a lot is you use a crook knife, you hold a crook knife like this and you cut this way. Well, if I jump off the wood, I'm cutting right towards my hand. And I mean, I am cutting towards my body, but I mean, my arm is going to actually stop me from cutting my actual body. I mean, bringing it all the way into my body, that's never going to happen. So when using a crook knife, you actually want to hold, like I said, give yourself ample material up here so you're able to hold the material, and then go ahead and start shaving out that conical shape you want. And a lot of people, they draw on the wood, what they want to start out with. I actually don't do that. I just kind of let it become what it becomes. And I'd like to keep some of that purple heartwood in the actual spoon itself, but I don't think that that's going to happen. But you can already see that conical shape starting to form. Alright guys, you can already see how fast that came in. Yeah, we get that on camera really nicely. You know, just that depression alone, if you haven't actually made a spoon before, or tried to make a depression like that in a piece of wood, you know, doing something like that with a fixed blade would have took me probably at least double the time that would. You know, and that's just my basic spoon depression right there. And then I can start carving out the rest of that with a fixed blade. So I'll probably post pics of this fixed, put up, carved out on Facebook. You can find that by going to facebook.com/ManusOutdoors. So if you could go there and give that page a like, I really appreciate that. Alright guys, this has been William Myers with Manus Outdoors, just showing you really quickly this really cool tool that I picked up, the crook knife. They're available on Amazon. You can pick them up all over the place. There are some that are rather expensive. This is actually a Mora, so it's about 30 bucks is what I picked it up for. You can probably find. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd like it if you could hit subscribe. Liking my video helps me out a lot. I appreciate all your views, comments, and support. We'll see you out in the woods. Really cool tool. Saves me a lot of times. A lot of times. Are you serious? Saves me a lot of time. It comes out to where it makes a really nice impression. Really good spoon. Makes a big spoon. The big wooden spoon. I'm gonna learn English. I really am. Appreciate all your videos. I appreciate all your videos. Of course I would.